Hello everyone, what's up? This is Rahman from I Love Travel. Welcome to another brand new video. And today's video is about, any guesses? It's about Arab Sea campaign. I am in Marina Harbour where I'll get the yacht. Our campaign will be with the yacht. You can see it's almost 100 meter long. So behind of the one yacht is going right now. So you can see in few minutes we'll enter in the yacht, which one our office is booked, is actually officially programmed with family. So let me show you the yacht. This is our yacht. We can see my colleagues. Some people are in, some people are waiting outside, and we have a dress code also. Is a white shirt and blue pant, but everybody is not wearing. I hope we can see now. Guys, look. What a luxury. That's why it's called luxury yacht. Guys, just look. They're still busy with organizing. Now let's go to the underground. Let's see what is there. Wow, there is also sitting place, common sitting place. And we can sit here like few people. Behind of me, I think there is couple of rooms for taking rest. If you want to take rest, you can. Let's see with this. Wow, this is a small single bed with the small cabin with the wonderful washroom. Wow, not bad. Let's see the next one. This is actually little bit bigger. I hope the cabin and with the single bed. Washroom is very nice, wonderful, and I hope I can see the outside view also from this, because of, you can see there is a curtain. We have a cabinet also, we can use if you want, and we can come here in this room if we want to take rest. We can, because we booked for 4 hours. Guys, just look, this is the view, and this is the station of the yacht. There are so many yachts you can see. Right now I am in the our yacht's top floor, I mean like roof, and that's the blue water island. That's observation wheel. That is also made in the man-made island. That's one of the island in the Dubai. It's a man-made island, and the people are busy. See, this is our office people in finance. They are busy with the photo session. This is the top floor. You can see people already sitting all around. There is a sitting place. And our campaign also started. So right now we are going to see the Arab Sea, and people in the downstairs also, they are enjoying, still going on the photo session. You can see the water car also there. And this is the Sky Drive Dubai. Inshallah one day I'll also do. You can see and there is the food item. It's not yet started. Guys, সমুদ্র থেকে দেখুন মেরিনার ভিউটা কত সুন্দর লাগতেছে। আর এই যে রানওয়েটা দেখতেছেন, সেটা হচ্ছে স্কাই ড্রাইভ দুবাইয়ের রানওয়ে। আর এই যে এটার পাশে দিয়ে দুইটা ওয়াটার বাইক আসছে, যেটাকে বলে জেট স্কি। জেট স্কির উপরেও আমার একটা ভিডিও আছে আমার চ্যানেলে, আপনারা চাইলে দেখতে পারেন। People's having fun with the wonderful weather and natural air. Just look at this guy. ক্রুজের গতি দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, সমুদ্রের ঢেউয়ের তালে তালে সামনের দিকে এগিয়ে যাচ্ছে। আমিও দেখি সামনের দিকে কি আছে, হাঁটতে হাঁটতে দেখি। অনেক সুন্দর লাগতেছে, অবশ্যই আপনারা অনেক উপভোগ করতেছেন আমার বিশ্বাস। ওই যে আমরা এখানে একটা বড় ধরনের জাহাজ দেখতে পাচ্ছি। ওয়াও, মেয়েরা এখানে এনজয় করতেছে আর ছেলেরা সমুদ্রের দিকে তাকিয়ে সমুদ্রের গর্জন উপভোগ করতেছে। এই যে এখানে বড় একটা জাহাজ দেখতে পাচ্ছি, বাট এটা দিয়ে কোথায় যায় কি করে বলতে আমি জানি না। আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন এটা অনেক বড় একটা জাহাজ। Guys, look at this. This is a mono train. It's called Pamjumura mono train. It's Marina to Pamjumura. It's until last stop is Atlantis Hotel. We can see there is two more island. This is one and this is the other one. And there is a way to go the sea. And we can see there is the Burj Al Arab, the 7-star hotel in the world, the luxurious 7-star hotel. This is the number 1 in the world. See, they started dancing to the beat of the music. Look at the Burj Al Arab. We are more closer. Look at the observation wheel. That laser light is looking awesome. It's in Blue Water Island. This also man-made island. I told you earlier. What a beauty. Look at the marina night view. Wow. Time to introducing the food. This is paneer and this is prawns curry, and one of these is chicken curry and paneer curry, and next one this is steamed rice with the curries, and there is roti, fruit salad, mixed salad, dessert, chutney. This is a fish. This is a fish item, sea fish. This is chicken, and this also chicken. So guys, this was the video about Arab Sea campaign. So it was too much fun. I really enjoyed. I hope you people also enjoy. Let me know with your comments, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're subscribed, don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to like. So let me know about the experience with luxury yacht in Dubai. See you in the some other place. Until that time, stay safe, stay healthy. তো সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে বলবেন না, আর আপনাদের ফ্রেন্ডদের সাথে শেয়ার করতে বলবেন না, আর কমেন্টসের মাধ্যমে জানাবেন কেমন হলো আজকের ভিডিও। তত নেক্সট ভিডিও পর্যন্ত ভালো থাকবেন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।